Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Chilling with Grace with me, your host, Tananya. Today we have two energetic influencers facing off in the kitchen, comedian Quite Perry and dancing Dolly TC. Comment below if you're Team QP or Team TC and let's get started. No QP, I wouldn't call you a chef, but you think I could have been TC?
Well, the world knows that I don't cook for fun. I'm gonna cook for purpose to survive. So I'm gonna do what I can today.
And what is it that you can do today?
I can make a fried rice. So I'm gonna cook up a fried rice.
Yeah.
The name of it is called, right? You ready for this?
Yeah.
The Vinnie ham fried rice Fiesta.
Vinnie ham fried rice Fiesta.
Right.
So if I have leftover ham from Christmas, I can make the Vinnie ham fried rice Fiesta.
Right.
That's it.
A little sausage, you cook it down, you that.
Alright, me that.
Yeah.
Dolly, we know you have a competitive streak. I think you can beat QP.
That is a must.
That is a must.
Why is it on there?
That's a must. What you have over here for me today?
So you know the Dolly have a mackerel and little baked bean. You know the Dolly dish.
Okay.
It's called Mackerel Bean Feast.
Okay. I'm gonna see a pineapple, so that's to elevate the flavor of
right.
mackerel. Who's going first? QP?
Right.
Ready?
Ding dong.
Oh yeah, do that.
Okay.
Usain Bolt.
Okay, I see here.
Shelly and Fraser.
Alright.
Nice. Nice.
These are Dolly. The Dolly know everything.
Easy guess.
It's not Patricia you're doing.
Easy guess.
It's not Patricia you're doing.
No.
Patricia, have another name?
A Patricia.
Yeah.
Why you bend up your foot like that? Why? You can't come back on the show. Don't never invite you back.
But the seriously.
Why you bend up your foot?
Grace, turn up the heat. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn it up. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen.
Could I go to one of them big restaurant they go eat this? This could I sell. This don't look bad at all.
Talk to me.
The Dolly Giant. Super Dolly did that.
On the Dolly dinner.
No, this
yeah,
could
do
have share out and carry on.
When you have to dance, you're showing the sachets now.
You're such
No, them.
Wow, lovely,
beautiful. I
lovely.
love the colors.
Finish up. Careful, oh yeah, stir now. I mind your gravy.
Here right now, we focus on my mackerel.
Mind your mackerel chore.
Focus on your chow mein.
What chow mein?
Because I have the chow mein here, cook my lamb.
Why you do that? My mackerel tin run.
Okay.
Oh my God!
It's what?
The look already now this I give me purple.
So, you're pretty much neck and neck in the kitchen. So we're gonna take it outside and a little painting challenge. I need you to paint those Grace mackerels. Let's go.
Yeah, no.
Paint now. Let me see who is Picasso.
For your old girl.
I never go paint in school. I'm not supposed to know say something for all it.
Oh my God.
You will
So tie-dye we do in our class.
Alright.
So tie-dye.
Alright. I think TC gets in the can now with her grey paint.
The brush tip one trim.
From TC.
baba.
Yeah, man, you want a lineup, man, and a fade.
I see one tin.
I don't want it, me a drama.
Alright, I'll take a tin.
I want mackerel me a buy.
I'll take a tin.
One up at the
Okay.
shop. Alright, see we here now, easy.
This is a very thick mackerel tin.
A tips of yellow.
Tips are yellow.
Yeah, try to get the... Wow, then the middies.
TC mixing a man. You mix.
Jesus,
All
mighty
right.
God of Daniel. What is this for me? Wow,
It's coming up. I see it. I'm seeing the vision. Only me seeing the vision?
Tell me you have to see it.
I have to see the vision, Daddy. He's a painter.
Then you know see Rachel
Interest.
could have seen it from there, so.
Okay.
Oh, mackerel tin run!
Okay.
Oh my God!
It's what?
It's a blood the expiration date. Oh my God!
No man, the little purple in it. How about this?
But can't abbreviate the mackerel.
Yeah, man.
But
Go
I
ahead.
put M.
Oh.
Put Mac.
Just a M.
M never right.
Okay.
Mighty God.
Use a
you
finger.
want-
You got to get
Some of
creative.
our
It's a
little-
creativity challenge. KTC, what you spelling here now? Great.
You
Grace.
can't see the grace.
Okay. I
And
see
the
the
math.
grace. I see the
Jesus,
math.
man.
QP, how is it going over
Yeah,
there?
draw my mackerel, lady.
Okay.
Mackerel nah draw. do.
Time is almost up. That's it. Kindly present your paintings to me, please.
Yeah.
No! Boo!
None upon grace now. No. You're green, not much, nothing. I look upon this. I don't care. I'm gray. It's gray. You better laugh over my mackerel. I never see a mackerel in a green pan it yet.
What is she?
I don't care what you want to say.
Oh my God.
So, this is gonna be a hard choice, but you know already you have to help me out. Sound off below in the comments whose mackerel tin look the best. Is it Quad Perry's or is it TC's? Me not sure, so una have to go figure out that one here because I cannot read them tin here. I don't sure if it's mackerel or what.
Why y'all do that? Jesus, I kind of run away.
Focus
Kinda
on your
escape
show,
from the
man.
fan. Jesus, the next kind of escape.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Show it in the black.
She want look of salt and a sheetings.
Show it in the black bean.
So I'm gonna put in my pineapple now.
Pineapple for the flavor.
So all who never tried this yet, and I can try it. Yeah.
All right, so we're coming to come. We're coming to come with a reggae medley. Coming to come with a reggae medley, right? So now we're gonna throw in our rice now. We're left over. You know, eat and leave
From the Sunday dinner.
from the Sunday dinner.
Right.
So this is your Sunday Monday. We just use and. Hey guys, it's your boy Quiet Perry.
And I'm TC
Don't forget to subscribe to Grace's YouTube channel
at Grace Foods.
for your chance to win an Amazon gift certificate.
Valued at $100 US. Dolly got the mackerel
Oh my God!
with the sweet pineapple.
Right.
So I already know what time it is. I have to go taste between the Mackerel and Bean Feast and the Vinnie ham and fried rice Fiesta, right? So I'm gonna try my best and see who win. You understand what I'm saying? I never know say you could have put pineapple slices in a mackerel. Oh gosh, the sweet and nice here. And the dal cook the rice soft like how I like it. Oh gosh, man. They can't spoil Grace being a sausage, right? Taste the ham. This is nice. This is nice. Look at the curry. Pineapple. And mix. You see the sausage and the ham mix? It's a nice flavor. UPTC? Have a winner.
So the dolly thing now, right? I'm very curious. How the dolly thing drop? Cause it stick now, you know?
Yeah.
It stick.
Everybody's a doll.
Everybody's
Everybody is a doll.
We hearing that talk about dunce dolly, bright dolly, ugly dolly, broke dolly. How that go? Teeth in dolly, why don't do that? Why don't do
You know,
that?
say, I think I'm pretty. One day we had this something, Mama just hear she say, my dolly dog.
Down.
And from that, the dolly talk just take off.
Everybody's a doll.
Everybody's a doll.
So
right?
why? Some man a dolly too?
If you don't want to call on yourself Kendall.
Kendall.
Yeah. Call on yourself Mandalina, right?
Right.
Kendalls.
The plastic part now, the plastic part, because we used to own a plastic doll on a real.
We don't do plastic dolly.
No, real.
Plastic dolly easy for pop up. You understand? The plastic dolls them easy for pop up, so we don't do plastic.
The foot the bend up.
No.
We're not talking downtown $20 dolly,
No,
right?
we're talking about dear dolly.
Dearest dollars.
Expensive dolly.
Finest.
Right.
Up at the top of the shelf, you have to
Right,
reach.
mister.
You have to call a man on the back and say, bring the ladder.
Good dolly.
Yeah.
I haven't seen Patricia in a while, but must see quite perp on YouTube. So
Right.
what about with
All right, so the thing with that now is, I don't know why people feel like park shouldn't park. I think in every stage of life, people have to evolve and just kind of start to show different sides to them. You understand? And I've always been an expressive person. I've always been a fun person. So if we bring that vibe upon YouTube in a more, I wouldn't even say curated, but like, you know, a longer space for them to just enjoy me and everything that I have to bring. I think it was great for me to kind of start a transition. I was there before, you know, but it never did I really too. I never only wanted to do, but
I understand.
yeah. But we're out now.
I like her.
I don't know what it is. I don't know. And people talk about her as if she's a real person. She's
not.
She's not a real person. I mean, he's not a twin. Neither. He's not a twin. So like the year is wrapping up, right?
Yeah.
And I think 2021 has been, you know, an extraordinary year for like all of us. But I think it has been a good year for me. I can't speak for you. How was your 2021?
2021 was an amazing year for me.
Right.
As you can see.
Ma, poo-poo!
Yeah, all of things go for the dog. The dog will go poo-poo.
Poo-poo!
Yeah. The dog now say, can I get a cab for?
No more beeper.
No.
Can I get a lipstick?
Yeah. The dog will pop out her carrot and go so papa.
Yeah. And for 2022, like, what are you looking forward to? Like, what are you expecting?
Well, I just expect greater things,
Right.
bigger things. More promotion, more work,
Right.
more money.
More opportunity,
Right.
expansion in your life.
Yeah, just great
increase.
things for
Love that.
2022.
Me too. Some for you.
Right.
Yeah. High five to that.
No?
So, ladies and gentlemen, you both did lovely today. My officer may never yet try mackerel with pineapple in it. I may never yet try ham and sausage with rice. But when I go home, I test it out. But you know, I already know it can only be one winner. And whilst I love the tour owner, I have to be fair and you can give me a drum roll, darling. You know how it go. Congratulations.
Oh my God! We didn't know you wanted to. Oh God! I didn't know. I
Ready again.
Yes,
We
sir.
want to feel good in the oh God! We want to feel good in yourself.
Him redeem himself.
Him
Redeem himself. That's it for another amazing episode of Chilling with Grace. Remember, you never know who will be next on Chilling with Grace. So subscribe to our YouTube channel at Grace Foods and follow us on Instagram at Grace Foods. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen.